Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the third brake light. It has been out for a really long time, so I'm surprised I haven't gotten like pulled over or anything. But I figured it's a nice day, might as well, show you guys how to do something, totally by yourself. This is honestly like a 10-15 minute job at the most. No need to like bring it to a mechanic or anything. It's totally a do-it-yourself type thing. So you got the third brake light here in this box. You're going to need an Allen wrench. I know this is the right size because I used it to take the old one off already to check it. I don't know, it came from this. Probably the most unorganized thing you'll ever see in your life, so don't ask me what size this is. I don't know. Just find the right one. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this real quick. Simple, just some stuff in there, padding. Then here it is. I got the smoked look on it. I got this off of Amazon for like $27. It's super cheap. I'll leave that link in the description below to the exact one that I got. So now we literally just gotta take the old one out, unscrew it, plug this one in, screw it back in, and it should work hopefully. So let's head out to the car right now and get the show on the road. So here's the old one that's still on the car. I'm just gonna take these two screws out, and then the whole assembly comes out like that. Allen wrench here. Let's go ahead and unscrew this bad boy, why don't we? Alright, so now I just go ahead and just kind of pry this thing up a little bit. Alright, so now as you can see, all you gotta do is just take this off and take the tube off, and we'll be good to go to put the new one on. Thing around, it's a 2007, so it's got 12 years of junk going through it. Dunzo. Kind of pry it off a little bit, get it loose, and then it was able to come right off. So other than that, got the two things taped here for safety. We're about to grab the new one and throw it on. Alright, so here's the new one, there's the old one. I just need to put the 3M tape on the new one. Go ahead and do everything in reverse, put the tube on, put the connection back in, and then I'm going to test it before I even put the screws back in, because that's just the responsible thing to do, bro. Nice and sharp.